Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can install Cognism extension in Edge browser. So if you go to the Google Chrome and search for the extension called Cognism Premium Sales Intelligence, you'll able to find this extension in the Google Store. But if you open the Edge browser and if you search this extension, get extension from Microsoft Edge, and if you search this extension, you will see that this extension is not available in the Edge store. And if you want to install it, what you have to do, you have to use this option. You can also get extension from the Chrome web store, and then you have to click on this, and then from there you can search the extension and you can install the extension in the Edge browser. But now I will show you how you can use Intune to install this extension in the Edge browser directly using the PowerShell script. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to go to the Intune portal. We have to create a detection and remediation script. So let me create a script and I will just give it a name called Cognism Premium Sales Intelligence. Click on next, and then you have to add the detection and remediation script. I already downloaded the detection and remediation scripts in my download folder, and I will share those scripts with you. So this is the detection script and this is the remediation script to install the Cognism extension. And then we have to select the third option, run script in 64-bit PowerShell. Click on next, and click on create. And now our script is ready for the deployment purpose. You can assign this script on the required devices, but for now I am going to initiate a proactive remediation script. So let me search the device on which I want to run the script and then select the device, and just want to show you, if you go to the Edge extension, you will see that I don't have any extension as of now. And then you have to go to the script, run remediation, search for that particular script, click on this, and now click on run remediation. And now after some time, you can see that the extension is automatically added in this device, and now you can use this extension. Let's wait for some time. If we open the Edge browser again and go to the extensions, now you can see that the Cognism Premium Sales Intelligence extension is now automatically installed on the device. So that's all for this video, and I will see you soon in my next video.